revolutionary precision induction cooktop from NuWave, the leader in portable induction cooking technology. The NuWave heats up twice as fast, uses up to 70% less energy, and is safer than any cooktop. Best of all, the NuWave is the only portable cooktop that gives you precise temperature control with the simple press of a button.
It takes the human error out of cooking. There's no more guesswork in what temperature you're cooking at.
Make pasta in half the time. Melt butter with no chance of it burning. Melt chocolate to creamy perfection. Make sauces with perfect temperature control. Gas and electric stoves have hot coils and open flames which can burn you. The NuWave PIC transfers heat only to your cookware, so it's 100% safe. Look what happens with this egg. The pan is hot, but the cooktop is not. That's the magic of induction cooking.
It gets hot within 5 seconds, but then you take the pan off and put your hand on the device and it's cold.
Why crowd your kitchen with expensive, bulky appliances? The NuWave Precision Induction Cooktop is a complete kitchen all-in-one. It's your portable indoor grill, temperature-controlled deep fryer, festive fondue maker, time-saving pressure cooker, healthy vegetable steamer, and programmable slow cooker.
It's small, it's efficient, it's clean, and it's safe.
The oversized 12-inch tempered glass surface can handle even large pots and pans. The NuWave PIC works with most cookware. Just check for the induction cooking ready symbol. Plus, it works perfectly with the induction-ready NuWave pressure cooker. Its compact size makes it the ideal solution for RVs, small apartments, and dorm rooms too. And because it's portable, you can take it anywhere, so it's perfect for buffets and outdoor parties.